You're watching how to turn off conversation tone in WhatsApp for iPhone. This setting controls the sound you hear when you send a message. Open WhatsApp and go to the Settings tab at the bottom right. Tap Notifications, scroll down to the Message section. Here you will see sound for message tones, but for the send tone, look for sent sound or message sent sound. If you don't see it, it may be under Advanced or within Sounds. Tap on Sent Sound. You will see a list of sound options. To turn it off, select None at the top of the list. This will disable the sent message sound. You can also adjust other notification sounds here, like group notifications or call ringtones. Another place to check is your iPhone system. Settings, go to iPhone Settings, Sounds and Haptics. Scroll to Text Tone, but note this is for SMS, not WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, the setting is inside the app. If you want to mute all WhatsApp sounds temporarily, you can enable Do Not Disturb within WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Notifications, turn on Show Notifications, and then select None for sounds. Alternatively, use your iPhone's silent switch, the physical switch on the side, to mute all system sounds, which includes WhatsApp. This will stop the conversation tone as well as other alerts. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.